नमस्कार, हेलो स्मार्ट शिक्षामा स्वागत छ। आज हामी स्पोकन इङ्ग्लिस अर्थात् बोलीचालीको अङ्ग्रेजी भाषासँग सम्बन्धित दैनिक जीवनमा अर्थात् दैनिक कुराकानीका लागि प्रयोगमा आउने विभिन्न प्रकारका छोटा वाक्यहरू अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। यस्ता प्रकारका वाक्यहरूले अङ्ग्रेजी भाषा छिटो, छरितो र प्रभावकारी तरिकाबाट सिक्नको लागि सहयोग गर्नेछ। अतः आउनुहोस् अभ्यासका लागि सुरु गरौँ। पहिलो वाक्य रहेको छ खर्चालु नबन। डोन्ट बी स्पेन्डथ्रिफ्ट। डोन्ट बी स्पेन्डथ्रिफ्ट। स्पेन्डथ्रिफ्ट भनेको खर्चालु। डोन्ट बी स्पेन्डथ्रिफ्ट। आफ्नो लागि समय निकाल्नुहोस्। मेक टाइम फर योरसेल्फ। मेक टाइम फर योरसेल्फ। म यहाँ एक्लै छु। I am alone here. I am alone here. म एक्लो महसुस गर्दैछु। I'm feeling lonely. I'm feeling lonely. मसँग एउटा साथी भए हुन्थ्यो। I wish I had a friend. I wish I had a friend. तपाईँ के कारणले यहाँ आउनुभयो? What brings you here? तपाईँ के कारणले यहाँ आउनुभयो? What brings you here? बस भाडा तिर। Pay the bus fare. Pay the bus fare. Pay the bus fare. म तिर्छु। I'll pay. I'll pay. यो I र will को सर्ट फर्म भएको हुनाले यसको उच्चारण गर्दाखेरि I'll हुन्छ। I'll pay. I'll pay. जरिमाना तिर। Pay the fine. Pay the fine. नियम अवज्ञा गरेकोमा जरिमाना तिर्नुपर्छ। You have to pay the fine for defying the rules. You have to pay fine for defying the rules. You have to pay fine for defying the rules. मलाई एक्लै छोडिदेऊ। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. म शान्ति चाहन्छु। I want peace. I want peace. म तिम्रो पक्षमा छु। I am on your side. I am on your side. मलाई बुझ्ने प्रयास गर। Try to understand me. Try to understand me. मेरो दिमाग नखाऊ। Don't bite my head off. Don't bite my head off. आफ्नो दिमाग लगाऊ। Use your brain. Use your brain. Use your brain. खाना तताऊ। Heat up the food. Heat up the food. Heat up the food. मलाई तातो पानी आवश्यक छ। I need warm water. I need warm water. I need warm water. सधैँ राम्रो मान्छेको संगत गर। Always keep good company. Always keep good company. खराब सोचबाट मुक्त हौ। Get rid of bad thoughts. Get rid of bad thoughts. तिमी त्यहाँ छौ? Are you there? Are you there? उसलाई बोलाऊ। Call him. उसलाई बोलाऊ। Call him. तिम्रो साथी यहाँ ल्याऊ। Bring your friends here. Bring your friend here. कोही आएन. Nobody came. Nobody came. यो च्यातिएको छ. It's torn. यो च्यातिएको छ. It's torn. Torn भनेको च्यातिएको. It's torn. उधारो नकिन. Don't buy on credit. Don't buy on credit. मैले जानेर गरेको होइन. I didn't do it intentionally. I didn't do it intentionally. Intentionally भनेको knowingly. I didn't do it knowingly. मलाई एउटा मोबाइल किनिदिनुहोस्. Buy me a mobile. Buy me a mobile. उसले मलाई एउटा फूल उपहार दियो. He gifted me a flower. He gifted me a flower. तपाईले मेरो दिन राम्रो बनाउनु भयो. You made my day better. You made my day better. मेरो घर आउन समय मिलाउनुहोस्. Make time to come to my home. Make time to come to my home. मसँग एउटा स्मार्टफोन भए हुन्थ्यो. I wish I had a smartphone. I wish I had a smartphone. मलाई यो चाहिन्छ. I need it. मलाई यो चाहिन्छ. I need it. एकै सेकेन्ड यो झोला समाति दिनुहोस्. Hold this bag for a second. Hold this bag for a second. के उसलाई भेट्यौ? Did you meet him? Did you meet him? खाली खुट्टा नहिँड्नुहोस्. Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot. Barefoot भनेको खाली खुट्टा. Don't walk barefoot. सक्यो? Finished. सक्यो? Finished. or भयो? Finished. Finished. समयको पालना गर. Be punctual. Be punctual. समय खेर नफाल. Don't waste time. Bike मा बस. Get on the bike. Get on the bike. के हामी समयमै त्यहाँ पुग्न सक्छौं? Can we get there on time? Can we get there on time? भन्न सकिदैन. Can't say. Can't say. फोन उठाऊ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone or receive the phone. गाडी हाकिरहेको बेला फोन नउठाऊ. Don't pick up the phone while driving. Don't pick up the phone while driving. के हामी एकअर्कालाई चिन्न सक्छौं? Can we know each other? Can we know each other? एक पटकमा कुरा बुझ्दैनौ? Don't you understand at once? Don't you understand at once? तिमी आफूलाई के सम्झन्छौ? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? यो त सुरुवात मात्र हो. It's just the beginning. यो त सुरुवात मात्र हो. It's just the beginning. तपाईं यो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can do it. You can do it. तपाईको सफलताको शुभकामना. Wish you best of luck for your success. Wish you best of luck for your success. Wish you best of luck for your success.